Looking for Poly B Plumbing in Fort Saskatchewan? At Kingstree Plumbing, we know aging Poly B pipes can lead to unexpected leaks and costly water damage. Our expert Poly B plumbing services in Fort Saskatchewan provide professional inspections, targeted repairs, and full pipe replacements to keep your home safe. Whether you're dealing with a minor issue or need a complete system upgrade, our licensed plumbers deliver long-lasting solutions. In Fort Saskatchewan, outdated Poly B pipes are a common concern, and waiting too long can result in major plumbing failures. That's why we offer fast, efficient service tailored to local homes. Trust Kingstree Plumbing for expert Poly B plumbing solutions. Keep watching to see why homeowners rely on us, or call today to schedule your service.